how to reset network setting. Click to start, go to setting, then click to network and internet, advanced setting, networks reset, and then click to reset now, and then click to yes. How to reset network configurations. So first method, click to start and cmd. This is both same Windows 10 and 11, same method. Right click to configurations and then run as that. Click on the run as administrator, then click yes, then command ip config space slash flash dns, and then hit enter. Okay, so this is successfully flashed of DNS resolved and crash. Then next, second method, register DNS, register DNS, and then again hit enter. Then next command, type as it is ip config space slash, then third one release, then again hit enter. Okay, and then space slash renew. Okay, this is fourth one. Okay, and then last, netsh winsock space reset. So finally reset. Okay, this is a reset network configuration setting. Okay, then you can check if you want to check what your what your system ip config slash space slash all. So this is my ip version 4 ip, this is subnet. Okay, like that. Thank you.